We're going to do two of these really quick. So the three I changed the picture on OneNote, and I changed the things from statistics and probability standard that you're going to be assessed on. It's just basically the three lesson quizzes we had. Being able to make a box plot, interpret a histogram, or calculate standard deviation. That's all only three things you'll be assessed on the final. Okay? So let's go ahead and knock out these videos right now. But as a reminder, this concept review packet and the whole series of videos I'm making and putting up on OneNote and YouTube, it's not all inclusive. You are responsible for studying everything we've learned all year long. The final is comprehensive. It's cumulative, so the whole year. So I just threw down some number points down here, and we're going to make a box plot out of this. So can you guys all help me? What do I have to do first to make the box plot? Smallest to greatest order the data. So what's first? The 2 is first. What's next? Do you see 3 3s? Good. I see 3 3s. So we'll go 3 3 3. What's next? A 5. 7 7. 8 8. 12 18. Is that it? Did I miss anything? There were 3 8s? Okay, so let's go ahead and count how many data points we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's going to be useful later. So where's the middle of 11? Isn't that the data point number 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't that right there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's the median, right? So we're going to make our little 0, 5, 10, drawing not to scale, 20. So we're going to put right here at 7. That was terrible. There's the median. What's next? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one's going to be Q3? Is it going to be that 8 right there at Q3? That's interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that one right there Q1? Huh. That's weird. What's next? Do we draw a little box? And then what's next? Our minimum and our maximum value. Let's label it 2 and 18. Wow. What do you say? Just the varsity level stuff. What kind of? How would you describe that data? Skewed right. Skewed right. Oh, by the way, I don't even think oh yeah, I did. I do remember on the final you have to calculate the IQR and the range. What's the IQR? Q3 minus Q1. So the IQR is going to be 5. Remember, that's Q3 minus Q1. And what's the range of this data? 18 to 2 is 16. Good. Let's go right straight to the histogram because this won't take you very long after you stop laughing. Read it. The following chart showed how many times and for how long fifth period whines over the course of one day. So they were whining pretty hard today. Okay, so how many times did they whine for 5 minutes? 2 times. How many times did they whine for 7 minutes? 7 times. How many times did they whine for 9 minutes? 3. So this right here is 2, 7, and 3. But the real question, what percent of the time did the whining occur between 2 and 6 minutes? If that's a 6 and that's a 4, how do you find the percent of time they whine for that amount of time? Okay, so you add up 8, and what's the total whining? So I got 8, 12, 19, 22. Whatever that percent, equals out to, make it as a percent. Okay? That's how you interpret a histogram. Okay, that's it for that video.